Hi, my name is Mithil and I'm from Australia. I'm just a student. I want to start a brand for myself, and I recently met Ivy from an internet where I was trying to be talking to her about to launch a product for myself. And also I told her I'm going to visit China for about this product, and we want to talk about the things that I want to do for my company. And I'm in China right now, and I met a beautiful owner, the profound company, which is Suzanne. Yes, she's super nice. She is very cooperative with, and also the good thing is she knows the English, and that is super benefit for me. And the company is very beautiful. Even the product that I have gave the design, it's amazing. I can say that out of 10 it's 100. Very good. Even the employees of this company are too much nice. They are very cooperative with me. Even the good thing, they all know English, so I'm not need to be worried about the language. If you want to make a business, you can definitely contact the Profound. It's very good for you. Even the environment is very nice. I can say it's super neat, clean. uh, yeah, thank you.